Starring Shiri Spear.
Always the star.
And Shiri, we certainly hope the weather will cooperate for us tomorrow.
Yeah.
So it looks like it's going to be pretty nice, right?
Yeah, I would say starring the forecast because we've got temperatures tomorrow morning starting in the upper 60s, headed to the lower 70s. It's just really comfortable short sleeve weather. No layers needed tomorrow. It won't be quite as humid, so maybe the hair is going to be a little bit nicer for our Friday plans as well. Dew points today are still in the 70s. It's feeling quite tropical, but dew points tomorrow are going to be like 60, maybe even upper 50s, which is a great range to be as we kick off the weekend.
All right, sounds pretty good. Here are some drive times for you. North of Boston, Route 1, 14 minutes, 93, 20 minutes, 128, 21 minutes there for you. I also have a delay on the commuter rail in the past half hour. It's there on the Haverhill line, so take a look at that one. We'll check the map in 10. Let me send you over to Shiri right now. And Shiri, it's another steamy one as we start off today.
Oh, perfect describer for it. Yeah, it is steamy. It's humid. It's warm this morning. The weather from your window looks like this at Polar Park. We've got a little glow on the horizon, which we always love to see. 68 degrees and mostly cloudy there. It's already in the 70s in Boston and mostly cloudy here as well. So it's not going to be the brightest day. I'd say on average, we probably have mostly cloudy conditions. There's a front in our neck of the woods, and that's also going to give us a trigger for a couple occasional showers today. It's pretty spotty stuff this morning. Best chance would be South Coast, Cape or Islands for getting a drop and a dash. But you'll see as we get into the afternoon today that we get more activity popping up. And this is when we have that chance for a few thunderstorms and a few downpours out there. Even though coverage might not look like a ton, these little storms could pack a punch with pretty heavy rain locally, lightning as well. And this is something to watch from about 2 to 8 o'clock today. If you end up driving through one of these, it could be that blinding rain, which is never fun either. So this afternoon, I'd say best chance is probably going to be east of 495 for getting a few of those impactful storms. Otherwise, a lot of the time today, it's dry with highs in the 80s and that sky high humidity. Tomorrow feels better. It's going to be brighter. It's going to be less humid. Everything looks just absolutely wonderful with that Friday forecast. And of course, as we head towards the weekend, temperatures are set to bounce up again. And by Sunday, it's going to be hot and humid with highs around 90 again. Hey, this is Tropical Storm Erin in the middle of the Atlantic. You'll see that this track continues westward. And as the storm travels over warmer ocean waters, it's going to get stronger. Expected to become a hurricane and a major hurricane over the weekend as it tracks north of Puerto Rico. But one of the things that you have to remember is this cone is where the center of the storm is expected to go. And you've got winds that extend out from that. So the potential area impacted by winds is much, much bigger and does include areas like the Leeward Islands and Puerto Rico, as well as the Dominican Republic. Looks like that storm is going to stay off of our coastline towards the end of next week, but we could have some waves and rip currents to keep an eye on. Otherwise, today is your humid day with a few storms around. Zip trip tomorrow morning with 60s and 70s. Great end to the week, great start to the weekend. Get ready for that heat on Sunday.